Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add ideal payments to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content, and so on. Here you're going to find online store and also point of sale. So right now, go ahead and click on settings here in the bottom. And after you do that, here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find general, plan, filing, user, and permissions. And here you're going to find payments. Go ahead and click on payments. And then here you're going to find payment providers. And under it, you're going to find supported payment methods. Payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. So right now, here you're going to find PayPal. And then under it, you're going to find the option to add payment method. Go ahead and give it a click. And then just go here to the search bar and search for Ideal right here. And then you're going to be able to find it. Once you find it, give it a click. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can either choose Ping Pong Checkout, Secret Official, or W Pay with Ideal. And then once you choose your payment method, go ahead and click on Install. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. Click on Install right here. And then just wait for it to load. Then log in right here to your Ping Pong account. And then you're going to be able to link it to your Shopify account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.